Snow Track, the ultimate snow vehicle. In 1954, Swedish engineer Lars Larsson needed a vehicle for his winter fishing trips. So he took an engine and transmission from a Volkswagen, added tracks, and built the ultimate snowmobile. The result was nothing short of spectacular. This simple yet highly practical vehicle has been successfully used by a wide range of customers, from ranchers and oil workers to NATO forces. Today, an improved version is available. Weighing about 1.5 tons, it can easily be transported on a trailer. Unlike traditional snowmobiles, it is steered with a wheel instead of levers and accommodates up to 7 people, including the driver. However, the engine is no longer Volkswagen made. It now features a 50 horsepower Kubota turbo diesel engine. While incredibly functional, this vehicle comes with a hefty price tag: Apocalypse 6x6. Overlander Hellfire, the ultimate off-road camper. Apocalypse Manufacturing is known for creating wild custom vehicles with ominous names like Hellfire and Sinister 6. But for their next project, they took things to the next level by designing a custom version of their custom model, the 6x6 Overlander. Originally a Jeep Gladiator, this now 6-wheeled camping beast has been transformed into a true off-road adventure machine. The experts at Apocalypse added features like a shower, awning, generator, TV, and other amenities to enhance the outdoor experience. These upgrades complement the camouflage paint job and the powerful Hemi Hellcat engine, which delivers anywhere from 500 to 850 horsepower depending on the configuration. With the Overlander Hellfire and Icebird, the ultimate polar sailing expedition. Why not join a polar expedition aboard the Icebird? This compact yet sturdy vessel is built specifically for ice-bound adventures. One standout feature is the 5-ton lead ballast located at the bow, which ensures stability in harsh conditions. The Icebird's hull is made of aluminum, and the boat is divided into 6 watertight compartments for safety. The mast is crafted from carbon fiber, and thanks to aero rig technology, traditional running and standing rigging have been eliminated. Inside, there's ample space for up to 10 people. The yacht is fully equipped with heating, a washing machine, a desalination system, and even an oven, ensuring comfort during the most extreme expeditions. Whether you're navigating icy waters or relaxing between adventures, Nissan Ariya E4 Orc. An electrifying journey from pole to pole. One of Nissan's slogans is exceeding expectations. And it's hard to think of a better example than Chris and Julie Ramsey. With the support of the Japanese automotive giant, this couple completed an incredible journey, driving a Nissan Ariya A4 ORCE electric vehicle from the North Pole to the South Pole. The 27,000-kilometer route was a formidable challenge, even for advanced expedition vehicles. Before setting off, the only modifications made to the car were reinforcing the suspension and widening the wheel arches to accommodate 39-inch tires. Nissan's confidence in their vehicle was clear. To charge the car during the trip, they used wind turbine Earthroamer SX, the ultimate off-grid camper. When searching for the perfect camping vehicle, the founder of Earthroamer decided to build it himself. As a passionate wildlife photographer, there were 2 key aspects he prioritized: comfort and off-road capability. Sometimes, capturing the perfect shot requires extended time in the wild, and fewer competitors on the trail means better opportunities. This led to the creation of Earthroamer. The first motorhome debuted in 2003, and today, the company offers the impressive Earthroamer SX. Built on a Chevrolet 6500 chassis with 4-wheel drive, it accommodates 6 people and feels like a mini apartment with a living room, bedroom, and bathroom. Powered by a Duramax V8 diesel engine producing 350 horsepower, it features a 378-liter Phantom 750K plus Sever 750K. Versatile, powerful vessels. Created in 2014, The Phantom and Sever 750K vessels have proven to be a wise choice over the past decade. With over 100 creations, these boats are designed to tackle various tasks and transport people and cargo to remote locations year-round. Take the Phantom 750K as an example. It can carry up to 1.8 tons, and its 430 horsepower engine accelerates confidently, reaching speeds of up to 150 kilometers per hour. The cabin comfortably seats 8, making it ideal not only for work, but also for hunting and fishing trips with friends. The boat features double acoustic insulation and polarized windows for added comfort. For a personalized Overland Next 2022, versatile, rugged, and comfortable. The Overland Next truck has proven its versatility, seamlessly transforming into a tractor, dump truck, or motorhome with ease. Instead of opting for overly complex, visually cluttered designs, the engineers have created a vehicle that's much like a bus, but offers far more comfort. The 2022 model offers ample space for 4 people, combining the truck's rugged exterior with a well-thought-out interior. It includes a kitchen, a double bed, appliances, and an expanded bathroom. The practicality of this truck goes beyond the basics. If that's not enough, there's an optional trailer featuring a sauna for ultimate relaxation. Whether for work or leisure, the Overland 2022 strikes a balance between durability and comfort, making it the ideal Polaris Expedition 2024, the ultimate off-road buggy. Polaris has introduced the 2024 Expedition platform, combining the compactness of an ATV with the comfort of a Jeep. The result is a versatile off-road buggy featuring air conditioning. Depending on the model, it accommodates 2 to 5 passengers, powered by a 114 horsepower 1 Gen 2 engine and a 36 centimeter ground clearance. The Expedition 2024 conquers tough trails effortlessly. Its 45-liter fuel tank provides a range of 320 kilometers. The Ride Command System offers GPS navigation with a 7-inch display for route data. The buggy also includes customizable features such as an optional blade. The 5-seat model is priced at $45,000, offering excellent performance and comfort for off-road enthusiasts. Quark Ultramarine, unmatched polar exploration. For an unforgettable journey to the North or South Pole, Quark Expeditions is the top choice. They offer thrilling excursions aboard the nuclear-powered icebreaker 50 Let Po Betty. Quark Expeditions also provides exclusive helicopter tours using 2 Airbus H-145 helicopters. These aircraft, stationed on the Ultramarine, allow travelers to explore remote locations unreachable by other tours. Where will they go today? Perhaps to Greenland's ice sheets or Snow Hill Island, home to a colony of emperor penguins. With Quark Ultramarine, adventure knows no bounds. Severtruck's Profi Max, the ultimate off-road vehicle. The Severtruck's Profi Max is a prime example of a real-world off-road vehicle that exceeds anything artificial intelligence could create. This 3-axle, all-wheel drive truck is designed for tough terrain and any kind of road. Powered by a 152 horsepower diesel engine, it consumes 30 liters per 100 kilometers. With a 2-ton load capacity, the Profi Max can carry ample fuel for long trips. The interior comfortably accommodates 14 passengers and includes 6 sleeping bunks. For added convenience, the truck features a liquid heater, making it suitable for extreme climates. Priced at $107,160, the Profi Max is the ideal vehicle for those seeking to venture off the beaten path, whether to remote regions or even the poles. Sleipnir, the ultimate glacier explorer. Sleipnir may not soar like Odin's horse, but it is the world's largest glacier vehicle. With an 800 horsepower engine and 8 massive wheels, it can travel extreme distances with ease. Measuring 15 meters long, tall enough to reach the 5th floor of a building, It offers 47 seats and can effortlessly cross 3-meter-deep glacier crevasses, delivering an adrenaline-filled adventure. Polar rovers, a unique way to explore. Polar bears. The small town of Churchill, Canada, located along the Arctic Ocean, is home to about 900 people. However, it is most famous for its polar bear population. Churchill is often called the polar bear capital of the world, one of the few places on Earth where you can see these incredible predators in their natural habitat. To safely observe the polar bears, visitors can board a polar rover, a specially designed all-terrain bus. These vehicles are equipped with low-pressure tires that minimize their impact on the environment, ensuring minimal damage to the delicate landscape. The buses also provide comfort and convenience, featuring restrooms for passengers. Despite its modest 210 horsepower engine, the Polar Rover is fuel efficient, consuming around 57 liters, 15 gallons, of diesel per day. While it can hold up to 50 passengers, the guides typically limit groups to 16 people to ensure everyone has a window seat and can easily move around inside for the best views. This unique Arctic tour offers a safe, comfortable, and environmentally friendly way to witness polar bears in one of the most remarkable locations on Earth. Okay's story began in Australia in 1985 when a group of mining industry executives identified a gap in the market for compact off-road vehicles. Recognizing the demand, they set out to develop a solution. 3 years later, in 1988, they unveiled their first prototype. Since then, Oka has become one of Australia's most iconic vehicle manufacturers, known for its durability and rugged performance. Over the years, the company has expanded its expertise beyond off-road vehicles and now specializes in custom-built motorhomes. These vehicles combine Oka's signature toughness with modern comfort, making them ideal for long-distance travel and exploration. The company's owner has played a hands-on role in product development, ensuring that each model meets high standards of performance and reliability. Oka continues to be a respected name in the off-road industry, providing innovative solutions for adventurers and professionals alike. Leading off-road experts continue to push the boundaries of design and technology, making waves in top publications and advertisements. Their creativity goes beyond artificial intelligence, delivering groundbreaking vehicles that redefine adventure. One of their latest innovations is a state-of-the-art motorhome built for a journey around the world. Designed for ultimate comfort and durability, this vehicle is perfect for explorers seeking new horizons. Additionally, they have crafted a luxury truck featured in a Monster Energy commercial, showcasing power, style, and performance. Instead of overwhelming you with technical details, we invite you to experience the beauty of these incredible machines. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or simply appreciate cutting-edge automotive design, these vehicles stand as a testament to expert craftsmanship and engineering excellence. Get ready to witness the next level of off-road adventure. The experts at Storyteller Overland have transformed the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter into an expedition vehicle built for adventure. Designed to handle even the roughest terrain, this van features all-wheel drive and a powerful 3.0-liter V6 diesel engine. To ensure a reliable power supply during off-grid travels, the vehicle is equipped with high-capacity solar panels, generating up to 600 watts of energy. This setup allows explorers to venture deep into nature without worrying about power shortages. Built for comfort and durability, the Sprinter's interior is optimized for long journeys, offering a practical and cozy living space. With its rugged design and advanced features, this Overland vehicle is perfect for adventurers seeking freedom beyond paved roads. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or camping off the grid, the Storyteller Overland Sprinter ensures a reliable. The production of Mercedes-Benz and Unimog trucks began in 1948, initially designed for agricultural use. The Unimog quickly gained popularity among military personnel, firefighters, and even race car drivers. These trucks have made a lasting impact, from farmlands to the Rally Dakar tracks. Naturally, it was only a matter of time before an expedition version emerged. The Evacamp team has introduced their unique creation. Based on the Unimog U300, they added a habitable module with multi-layered walls, 65 millimeters thick, ensuring a warm interior even in winter. The Unimog's key features remain intact, such as the ability to quickly switch the steering wheel from left to right. Evacamp also equipped the interior with a kitchen, a bathroom, and a living area that converts into a bedroom. With these modifications, the Unimog U300 is transformed into a rugged yet comfortable expedition vehicle. What do you think? How would you rate their technical ingenuity? Let's take a look at another impressive creation from the specialists at CAT, the Cat 6 345 Arctic Truck. As its name suggests, this powerful vehicle is designed to operate in the harsh conditions of the Arctic. It features an articulated frame, ensuring stability on swampy terrain and in extreme temperatures as low as -60 degrees Fahrenheit. Currently, there are two versions of the Cat 6 345 Arctic, a 4x4 model and a 6x6 version. The 6x6 variant is particularly notable as it includes a habitable compartment, making it ideal for long missions in remote areas. This robust truck can transport up to 13 tons of cargo, offering exceptional load capacity. Additionally, with a ground clearance of 67 centimeters, 26 inches, it easily navigates through deep snow and tough obstacles. Built for the most extreme environments, the Cat 6 345 Arctic is a true powerhouse, delivering reliability and performance in the world's coldest regions.